ARGWEB quick tutorial, how to log casual sightings, for example, lizards seen while out on a walk. This how-to demo specifically relates to ARGWEB and members who are reptile or amphibian surveyors. Members are approved as reptile or amphibian surveyors on ARGWEB if or when the local committee is confident in the individual's ID competence. For members who are not yet approved reptile or amphibian surveyors, their means of recording is ideally via recordpool.org.uk, into which they can upload photos along with their sightings in order for the sighting to be verified. Following this simple dual recording process, the ARG is able to ensure the best possible data correctness and accuracy in their database. So back to recording a lizard sighting whilst out on a walk. Having logged into the ARGWEB portal, the members portal, and being a reptile surveyor, I can click on the reptile surveyors icon. That will open up a new window, which will give me a number of different options, including being able to see my survey transect sites. But I'm going to here, for the purpose of this exercise, go to online reporting. And here I've got an option whether I want to record a refugia survey or a casual sighting. So this is just a casual sighting, so I'll open that one up, and it's going to bring up the initial page of the recording for this particular event. Having signed in, it will by default include my username and email address. I'm going to need to put in a particular location, generally just a rough guide to more or less where this particular sighting took place. And this particular one that I'm going to pop into here was at an area called Blackbush. So if I just grab this, and I can pop that into, oops, there, Blackbush. And this was on the 28th of February. So I'll just go back, make sure I'm on the right month as well, select the day, and then I click on Enter Animals. What I am going to need to put in here is, first off, the location. So this is the British grid reference 10-digit location. I can find the grid reference on a map, so we have got that little option here, but I prefer to always use my GPS or my mobile phone with an online or with an app to give me the reference when I'm actually standing right where I see the animal. I've got the drop down over here that covers the native reptiles, native amphibians, and a fairly wide range of non-native animals as well. So in this particular case, it's a common lizard. I happen to know that it was a male. I know it was an adult. As you can see, there's a range of different options over here that I can select on. There's quantities, very, very easy to change the quantity. So over here, I'm just going to mark 1, and I'm going to say that this particular one was basking on gauze as a little comment there. Very, very easy. If I want to add another sighting, I simply click on Add Another Sighting, opens up another line. It's going to ask for that particular sighting's grid reference once again. Here again, remember, we're not talking about refugia or TIN numbers or anything. These are strictly casual sightings. So I need to put a place location into it. Again, I'm going to record that it was another common lizard. This particular one, I did not know what sex it was, so I'm just going to leave it as unknown. However, it was another adult. It was only one, and this one too was basking on gauze to keep things simple. And if that's the only 2 sightings that I want to record at this particular point, at that particular area, I quite simply click on Submit Survey Report here at the bottom, and that will absorb the information into the ARGWEB system and send me an email immediately to tell me that my data has been accepted. If for whatever reason I choose to or I need to delete one of these line items, maybe I realize that the item that I've popped in here, the record in location 2, wasn't actually at Blackbush and that was somewhere else. Very, very easy. You just select the one that you want to, either location 1, it goes green, or location 2, and it turns green, the little icon on the left here. And I can delete that line item before I submit the survey report. Once the survey report has been submitted, that's pretty much it. And your recording, your sighting has now been recorded. As simple as that.